Welcome back to the iHeat YouTube channel. Today we're doing a iHeat Olympics with the staff from the office itself. They're all joining in, it's really fun to do. We've actually got 4 courses for them to race each other again, starting off with an egg and spanner race. This is where you get an egg on the end of a ring spanner and walk from a cone all the way down here to a cone down this end as well, and then back. If you successfully get to the other end of the track without dropping your egg, you win. A lot of eggs are going to be smashed. Round 2 is a rubble sack race where you're back in school with the 2 handles, hopping along from those cones to get a winner. Round 3 is an engineer carry where you simply carry 2 heavy tool bags from those cones to these cones in the fastest time possible. Round 4 is the finale, which is a pipe bending challenge where it's a simple 90 degree to 90 degree S-bend onto the wall. Whoever is first and it looks the best and the most accurate wins the challenge. Let's go. First up is Alex versus Nicola in an egg and spanner race. Let's see how it goes. On your marks, get set, go! Come on, Alex! Come on, Nicola!
Oh, mate, I've had too many coffees for this.
Hey, don't jinx it, we're not smashing it.
Mine's too. You're smashing it! How do you smash it? No! I've got it all the way. Can you get all the way?
Keep your eyes on your egg.
Keep your eyes on your egg. Oh, it's easy, just like that. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Shit, Kate, you don't jump up.
Oh my god, it's rolling.
Connor's doing it. Eat it. Katie!
He's gonna drop it.
Do it.
He's gonna drop it.
Connor's won.
No, the shame, it's too much.
Get set, go. Oh, you back up.
No! What's this now? This is cheating. Right, this is an absolute disgrace. I've never seen so much cheating in all my life. Still won! No way! That's a big win. Oh, I nearly caught it as well.
Yeah. Easy. Every winner that got side.
Don't worry. Look at the length of his legs. I know, but look at the length of his legs. I just walked, Barry, what's all about It's harder than I thought it'd be.
Drop this down. Oh, don't let her win.
Beautiful.
Shocking service event.
Too much, so did I.
I thought you had that.
I had a strong start.
Unreal scenes.
Now we move on to the rubble bag races. First up, let's see how it goes. It's getting pretty close now. We've got 3 left. We've got Alex, Ben and Kai for the engineer carry, running from those cones to these cones. Let's see who gets the best time.
Speedy guns are
All right, so Alex definitely won that one.
And now your finalists, it is Ben versus Alex. They have both enlisted some help from James, who is actually a previous gas engineer, and Katie, who is our social media manager. So this will be quite an interesting battle. Who will win, who will do the perfect bend, and who takes home the glory. Best of luck.
What's guiding? Go, Ben.
Tell us.
So I want 90 degrees.
Oh, come on, this side. Yeah.
Push that down. Go on. Okay, he's the lead. Oh God.
Go. So, we're in there.
So he needs to be there.
James lock in there.
Let's go on.
Right. Oh, you're smiling! Start this side.
Yes! Yes!
Okay, put it on the wall.
Go! Oh no, it looks bang on that. Yeah. Come on, give it a whack.
Yeah!
Give it a whack, go! Yeah!
They won. Now
I
that
said they won there.
they won there. You win some and you lose some.
And there we go, that has been the challenge. Thank you for all who participated. It was great fun for me to edit and watch this video, as well as join in with the races. So thanks for watching. Leave a like for more videos like this with the full office, getting outside whilst it's nice and sunny and enjoying the summer. So leave a like, subscribe, share to those who you think may enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video. This has been iHeat.